So Apple has released iOS 15 beta 2, and in this video I'm just going to share with you the new changes that Apple has brought to us. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share to anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, what I want to share with you is this iOS 15 update release notes. So it came with a size of 1.8 gigabytes on my iPhone 8 Plus. It might differ from your phone you're using right there, so you check it out when you're trying to update it. So first of all, what I want to share with you is the map icon right here. When you check out the map icon here and then you check out the map icon right here, you can see that it differs a lot from this iPad and the one we have right here. So this is one of the changes Apple has brought to us in this new iOS 15. And again, Apple also allows us to just get the SharePlay. Right now, when you're using FaceTime, you can share everything you are doing on your phone with your friends on FaceTime. Whether you're watching a movie or you're playing a song, you can share with your friends whilst you're using FaceTime. In beta 1, this feature wasn't available. It was there, but it wasn't available for anyone to just use it. But in this beta 2, it's just available for us. So you're going to be able to just tap on this toggle right here. You're going to be able to tap on this toggle right here, and you're going to be able to just share with people when you actually start a FaceTime call. So I think that is one of the nifty changes Apple has brought to us, and I really like it very well. So again, one thing we noticed right here was in Memoji. So when you check out right here, you can see Apple has brought new Memojis, and that is very cool. You can check out and then see the new Memojis Apple has brought. You can just play around with them, and then right now you can make your Memojis wear dresses. We have clothing right here, so you can make them wear clothes. You can choose in between the ones you feel like you want them to wear right here, and then that is basically very cool. So I'm going to do a follow-up video on how you're going to be able to just change the dresses of a Memoji and then customize your own Memoji right here. So you stick around so that you don't miss anything. Another changes we saw right here was in Safari. So initially Safari had no option right here. When you go to Safari, you never saw any add to quick notes right here, but when you tap on it, it doesn't work. And I think it's going to be part of iOS 15 beta 3, because when you just tap on this thing, nothing shows. It doesn't go to notes to show that maybe something is really working or something needs to work right here. So I think maybe that is something Apple is going to do right here again. In beta 1, when you try typing in the address bar right here, it begins to just glitch and then it vanishes sometimes when you try typing, and then it wasn't really working very well. But in beta 2, I think everything has been sorted, and now you can type very well and type very freely without no problems and all. So another thing Apple also brought was the weather widget. When you just check right here and then you check out your widgets, you can see that Apple brought a very cool widget which allows you to see everything that is going on right here. The temperature and all is now visible. So when you check out right here, you can see everything is visible, and then it wasn't like that in the iOS 15 beta 1. So in beta 2, everything is new right here with the weather app, and I think that is basically very cool. And again, when you go to your settings right here and then you go to notifications, and then when you go to schedule summary, you're going to be able to just see the number of notifications an application is giving to you at a given time. So you can see I have 21 notifications from display, and then 9 notifications from YouTube, and it goes on and on to see all the applications that are giving you notifications, and that is basically very cool. So another thing that we saw in the weather app too was a splash screen like this, which allows you to know whatever the weather app is bringing to us. So you can see weather maps and then notification and then new design right here, and that is basically very cool. So these are the changes Apple brought to us, and if I see any new changes right here in this iOS 15 beta 2, I'm just gonna do a follow-up video and then share with you guys so that you guys will know what you're supposed to know in this new iOS 15. So I've been using this for the past 3 days, and I think the battery life is still very good. I think it's a bit better than iOS 15 beta 1 because my phone lasts a bit longer than it used to be. So if you probably want to just upgrade to this iOS 15 beta 2, I think it's a good deal. You need to do it. If it's open to the public, you're going to be able to do it. And talk about being open to the public, is going to be around, let's say, on the first week of July or something. In case it drops, I'm just going to make a video so that you guys are going to be able to just install that too right away on your phones, and that is going to be a bit less baggy, so you guys can try it out. You don't have any problems. Apple is actually not going to destroy your phones right here, but some features might not be working and all, so that is what you have to bear in mind. And with the performance too, everything works perfectly. Nothing glitches or nothing goes bad. Everything moves smoothly like it used to be. So I think that is very cool. This iOS 15 beta 2 is a bit stable than I thought it was going to be, and yeah, that is very cool. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. I'm going to leave a video right here so that you guys are going to see how you're going to be able to install iOS beta when it's open to the public on your phones. And then without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.